in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install a microphone on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So typically, if you just plug it in, it should automatically install the drivers. If you're still having a problem, you can go to the manufacturer's website and see if there's any installation media that accompanied your microphone. You can just install that to your device. And then you can also, if it's a wireless or Bluetooth microphone, you may just want to open up the search menu and type in settings, best match, to come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then once sound is open here, you just want to go ahead and select underneath input where it says pair a new input device, select add device, and then follow through with the on-screen steps, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.